What precautionary measures should be taken to protect human lives and stop the spread of COVID? Of course, we have spoken about it in detail in earlier ones also, but it seems still people have this thinking, what precautionary measures should we take in general to protect human lives and stop the spread of COVID?
We know that this typical disease or pandemic has a peculiar behavior wherein in case if we want, then only the disease comes to us. So whatever has been told till now about social distancing, about taking care of ourselves with mask and hand wash, everything stands as it is. That is one. But there is something very important which probably I, as a pulmonologist, intensivist, as well as somebody who is working in public health for the last 30 years, is trying to secure by segregating high-risk patient groups. I'm just giving you a simile. God forbid, if there is some war or there are some clashes, we know that the community would try to protect the least protectable or the ones who are required to be most protected. The elderly and children, they will be kept inside. Then would come those who are not so well-built but easily who can tackle the attacks. And then they are the strongest who are in the front running. The same way, if community can start making their own arrangements in such a way so that the elderly, those who are having comorbidities, recently birth who has taken, younger children, or those who are pregnant women, or those who are having any other severity in the disease which can lead them to a very high or a severe index of disease, can be kept inner side. They cannot be, they can be kept with some kind of a separation. Rather than every home having one elderly, one young child, and 4 healthy people who are daily going out and bringing in probably COVID and giving it to their vulnerables, such vulnerables can be segregated. That is one possibility. But as a large, if at all it is not possible, then having had good information about, correct information about how to fight, how to remain within the home, and how to take care of oneself with regular medications, with proper diet, with proper rest, with proper sleep, what we have been discussing till date. So it is not a single point agenda, it can be multiple factors coming together. And if we can put in all together as a directive, which is already been given by government, but on this platform, iHub and COVID Kiran, if we can create such a directive which can be given as a handy tool to everybody, they will be able to follow it and they will be able to protect themselves.